guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Allure beauty box for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the July 2026 Allure beauty box has arrived. Well, I actually got it last week, but I had migraines. It's been so hot. I hadn't even wanted to sit down and film, so here we are. We're gonna get into this one now. So again, this one is the July box. I did pick the product for next month, and I'm actually really excited. It's like a single shadow, and I thought that was really neat. So I'm really excited to get next month's. This month, I believe, was between a color of a bronzer that I chose just to put into a future giveaway. So here's the inside of the box. You always have a gorgeous woman right on front in the brochure, and in here we'll go over all of the products and we'll tell you the full size pricing and what size you have. So if you have a smaller version, it won't tell you what the smaller version price normally is, but it'll tell you obviously that you have a different size than the full size, but everything's inside of here. And then a sneak peek if you want to see the products. There's a little sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the product that we can customize first, which was the bronzer. And that would be right here. It is Makeup by Mario. And you can pick between 4 different colors: light, medium, or dark. And I believe I did a light medium. I did a light medium. Because I didn't want to go too light, and I didn't want to go too dark because I don't know who that's going to go to, but I do almost have that giveaway complete, so I will add this to it. But just to show you what it looks like is right here. And again, I chose the light medium color to go into the giveaway. So there is number 1, and this is valued for $36. It is a 1.01 ounce full-size product. So $36 right here is already over the entire box in one product. All right, so now let's go with the next thing is going to be, ooh, I love Earth Harbor. This is $38 for a 30 ml, and this is the 30 ml. This is a night repair concentrate. The package is really nice. Like, it has like a pink on the top to like a white to a gray ombre effect on it. Use the dropper to dribble a little oil onto the palm of your hands and then gently pat into the skin, starting at your forehead and moving down to your neck. Once dry, slather on moisturizer and lock it all in. Use nightly for the best and glowiest results. So that's cool. You use this and then you slather on your moisturizer afterwards. Ooh, even inside of the box has these colors. And this is what the actual product looks like. So after cleanse and tone, put it on your face, and then whatever you want to do afterwards. So that is awesome. We have a $38 full-size product right there that I will definitely be using. All right, so next up, it shows Biotech Blowout Leave-In Hair Mask. Ooh, if you guys follow me, you know I love a hair mask. And it says Goddess. This is $40 for a 50 ml, and what we have in our box is a 50 ml or a 1.7 fluid ounce. So this is the full size product. 3 full sizes in a row, you guys. $40 for this one. And it says, after shampooing and conditioning, rake in a dime-sized dollop of this lightweight cream from mid-lengths to ends while your hair is still slightly damp. Then grab your blow dryer and dry and smooth the strands, or skip the heat altogether and air dry without any damage. Ooh, I love a hair mask. I'm so excited. And this is what it looks like. And since it does say a little like dime-sized dollop to put through your hair, this size will last a while. Plus, this is the full-size product, $40. So I'm excited about that. So 2 products I'm definitely keeping. All right, so now we have, it says Gloat Makeup Sponge, non-latex foam. And this here is the full-size product valued for $12. And it says dampen the sponge and squeeze out any excess water. Then dip the mini tool into your product of choice. Concealer, bronzer, blush, and then lightly dab it on the skin to blend and diffuse. Don't forget to wash the sponge with soap after each use. So I don't use makeup sponges because I do not use liquid products. So I will put this in my future giveaway coming up for one of you guys. So 2 products for you guys and 2 for me. We have 1 more in the box though. Let me flip the page because I'm sure, yep. Actually, we have 2 products still in the box. So this one here says looped just for you, pre-tied hair ties. Okay. It says retail value is $17 for a 2-pack. This one says that there's 2 in here. There's a 2 loop for fine hair and a 4 loop for thick hair. But this is a full size value for $17. Holy moly. This super stretchy accessory comes pre-tied. It's customizable so you can decide how many times it's needed to wrap around your ponytail for all day hold. Fine hair, for example, likely needs 1 loop, while a thicker texture may need 2 or 4. The choice is yours. Let's get this opened and see. Oh, I gotta break the seal. Ooh, that's a bright pink. So yeah, it says buttery soft, 2 times stretchier, and 13 times stronger. So there's 2 different ones. It already has 2 things here, and then this one has 4, but they're all connected. So I guess you just use this and grab your hair all together. That's definitely different, but that's cool. 2 of those, full-size product again, valued for $17. Holy moly. All right, so then the last item in here is the Hero Mighty Patch Originals. It's a Blemish Hero 6 count. This definitely is a sample. So the first sample in here, the full size retail values for $13 for 36 patches. And again, we have 6 patches in here to try out. I'm gonna put this one, since it's sealed, in my next giveaway for one of you guys to try, because I have so many open ones already with different brands, but the Hero ones are my favorite. I always grab those first. But yeah, if you see a pimple coming on, put this on when you're cleansed and toned at the end of the night. Go to bed, and in the morning you pull it off and you'll see all that stuff that it sucked out. It definitely makes your pimple go by so much easier, faster, less painful, all of that good stuff. So if you haven't used these and you get a pimple, definitely you should try them because they work wonders. So that is everything, you guys. So quick recap, you have your hair mask, you have your face serum, your pimple patches, your 2 different hair ties, you have the bronzer and the makeup sponge. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for this Allure July box. What do you think of all of the products? I'm excited to share a few of these with you guys, and I'm excited to use all of the other products in here. So if you would like a little bit of information regarding the pricing on this box, I will let you know right about now. So if you do month per month, you can cancel at any time. But if you do month per month, it's $30 per box. If you do quarterly, it'll bring your box price down to $27.50. If you go annually, it'll drop your box price down to $25 per box. I love my Allure box. I've been getting it for a while, and I always do the annual just because it saves money in the long run. And normally there's one product that I keep and it's over the price that I pay, so it's always a win-win, and then I get to share with you guys. So I love my Allure. And what do you guys think? What do you guys think? They will be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to pop on over and check them out. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. So again, that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.